Windows Need Cleaning is a window cleaning company run by Graham and Tracy Williams in Church Stretton. The company uses a pure water-fed system with telescopic carbon poles to safely and efficiently clean windows up to 65 feet high. The water used by the pure water-fed system is produced by passing it through a 4-staged filtration system to deionize it and extract minerals. Windows Need Cleaning also offers cleaning services for conservatories, gutters, solar panels, and other items. All staff are trained, in uniform, and the company has a no-contract policy, cancel any time, with a 100% money-back guarantee. Windows Need Cleaning provides free, no-obligation quotes for its services in Church Stretton. The company is fully insured up to £5 million and can provide proof of insurance upon request. Payments for Windows Need Cleaning services are easy to arrange, and customers can contact Tracy for more information or to request a quote. Thank you for watching and have a great day.